beautiful, isn't it? In the air, Phoenix trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. Down the ground again. Wrists. More wrists.
This makes cricket so better. And that's the helicopter shot. Does it go all the way? Yes, it does.
Careful of. Oh, he's hit that one over the top of it off. That's incredible. Dhoni plays some of the most incredible shots.
Dhoni, you can see, you get underneath it, and the helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air.